This homemade bread, this one is called life itself. It's life. You know, there is joy that comes when you are eating food free of chemical preservative, homemade, what you made by yourself and you know what you are eating. This homemade bread is one of those recipes that if you try it, you will love to be having it every day. Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. This is Vivian Recipe. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. All we do here is cooking, and if you love what we do here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all. So today I will be walking you through how I make this homemade lentils bread. This bread, this will take your immune system from 0 to 10. Are you a pregnant woman? This is one recipe you will love to add to your diet. Are you someone who is suffering from anemia? You know, anemia is when you are lacking iron. Then add this lettuce recipe to your diet. Eat it 3 to 4 times a week. If you do it for 1 month, you will see a huge changes. Okay, now this also homemade bread is combined protein packaged with vitamin, mineral. As we all know, is loaded with fiber as well. So all the ingredients here, is a combination of lentils, spinach, oats, egg, garlic, olive oil, and turmeric. This is for a delicious healthy twist packaged with vitamin, mineral, fiber, and antioxidant. This bread is perfect for weight management, boosting energy, supporting heart health, and improving digestion. This is nutrition option for vegetarian as well. If you eat egg, you will love this. If you are someone who do a lot of exercise, this one will help. It will give you a lot of energy. Okay, if you are someone with diabetes, this will improve. If you eat this for complete 1 month, add it to your diet every week, you will see a great change in your cholesterol. It also helps with brain function as well. This is loaded with vitamin, mineral. Okay, this one, if you are a pregnant woman, add this to your diet. It's very good for unborn children and you, the mother to be as well. So just follow the process. I've blended my lentils with the boiled carrots. I've added olive oil. I've mixed. Then I'm going to add oatmeal. Okay, so I will be listing the quantity of all the ingredients at the description box. I will list everything there. So I'm adding salt, garlic powder. This is turmeric as well. I'm going to mix. I'm adding baking powder. The last ingredients I'm going to add will be spinach. So right now I'm done mixing. Look at how yummy, how fluffy it's looking. I feel like eating it already. So I'm going to transfer into my baking pan. So I'm going to add sesame seed, then we'll bake. I bake it for an hour plus because I didn't high my oven. I just put it for 170 degrees. So I baked it for 1 hour plus. Okay. So it depends on you. I wanted it to be, to bake very well. Yeah. So at this point it was out from the oven. As you can see, it's looking tempting. Look at that. It's looking tempting. So I will be slicing some so that we'll see how it look like. So guys, you see when I say this homemade bread, you will love it. Just give it a try, and if you do, don't forget to come back and let us know. I will be glad to see you try out this recipe. Look at how yummy it looks. Guys, please share this video, leave your comment, and stay tuned for more video. God bless you all so much. Love you all guys. Bye.